Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Shopify store using AI. First, choose an AI-powered platform or app designed for Shopify integration. Provide your business concept and target customer details to the AI. It will then generate a foundational store, including a suggested name and initial product categories, saving you significant time. This intelligent assistant helps lay the groundwork for your online presence in just a few moments. Next, leverage AI to populate your store with products and engaging content. AI can craft persuasive product descriptions, often in multiple styles, emphasizing benefits and features. It also assists with generating or optimizing product images, ensuring they look professional and attractive. Furthermore, AI tools can produce marketing copy for your website and social media, helping you connect with potential customers effectively and efficiently. Now, let AI refine your store's design and user experience. AI can recommend Shopify themes and layouts that align perfectly with your brand identity and industry. It also helps customize visual elements like color palettes and typography, ensuring a cohesive look. Moreover, AI can suggest improvements for navigation and overall design flow, creating an intuitive and pleasant shopping journey for your customers, making their experience seamless. Finally, prepare for launch and ongoing optimization with AI. Carefully review all AI-generated content and design elements, making any final manual tweaks. Then, use AI tools to enhance your store's search engine optimization, boosting its online visibility. After launch, employ AI-powered analytics to monitor performance, identify trends, and continuously refine your store for maximum growth and customer satisfaction, ensuring long-term success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.